So we would start with essay writing skill. जनरली स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं कि ऐसे कैसे लिखते हैं. तो essay is what? It is an short piece of written work dealing with a particular topic. It's a natural flair. Those who are having incoming idea or flow of ideas consistently come by, then they can write essay all that well. But they have to think over it for the topic. Essay writing check the ability of a person how to arrange the idea of a subject in a systematic, readable, as well as understandable manner. In the exam, students are asked to write an essay in about 200 words, sometimes 250 words, right? For 6 or 8 marks like that. But hopefully in competition, ऐसे competition रहा तो something like 300-400 words भी ये लोग demand करते हैं. What are the parts of an essay? Introduction. Introduction consists of very short but interesting paragraph. You can mesmerize them by writing some catchy note about that. It should give a clear idea about the title of essay. Don't beat about bush, right? Come to the point and write exactly what they want to give a topic about. Then regarding body, the body of the essay should be arranged in a proper sequence. अपने पहले आइडिया असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में जाने का और क्लाइमेक्स तक ले जाने का. इन प्रिफरेबली 3 to 4 paragraphs. The body consists of facts, not fiction, examples, and reflection of the writer on the given subject. A conclusion काफी attractive और catchy होना चाहिए. Likewise, your introduction. Ending, just like beginning, should be short but very attractive and catchy. The conclusion should sum up whatever is written in the body. Do not beat about the bush, I told you. Don't go round and round. Straight away, right? Give your opinion, but don't give your biased opinion, right? To the point you must be. Essay writing. Points to consider when writing an essay. Do not start writing at once. Think properly. Make points in mind or on a piece of paper and then you start writing. Don't use too many proverbs. Anything in excess is nothing but you can say simply अति सर्वत्र वर्जति. ज्यादा प्रोवर्ब ज्यादा हाईलाइट करोगे, राइट, ज्यादा आप लोगों की अगर कुछ मिस्टेक हुई तो दिखाई देगा. यूज सिंपल वर्ड्स एंड शॉर्ट सेंटेंस. डोंट ट्राई टू मेक अ फ्लावरी स्टेटमेंट, सबको नहीं आता. रिवाइज केयरफुली व्हाट यू हैव रिटन एंड चेक योर ऑल स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक, capital letters, grammar, grammatical mistake, punctuation, etc. You must check because it is considered. And now finally to story writing. Story writing is a part of writing skill. Usually it is asked in the option of essay. You need to write story in about 200 words, likewise essay, because it is in option and same mark it's considered. You can be asked to write a story from 3 different formats. One, writing a story on the basis of outline points. आपको outline दे देते हैं, clue दे देते हैं. Writing a story on the basis of a given image. आपको एक image देंगे, right? Animals की, human being की, कोई historical. And then writing a story on the basis of few opening sentences given about the story. ये सबसे difficult होता है. एक line दे देंगे. When you have gone into the forest, right? कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. अलग-अलग ideas आ सकते हैं. Important points to keep in mind while writing a story. Read the outline, sentences, or look at the given image carefully. Then, based on your imagination, draft a story in your mind. Don't mug up, don't cram. You should keep it in mind. You do not mug up the stories from reference material for writing story, क्योंकि उन लोगों के पास भी ये material होता है. The story you write will be completely fictional, not real, and will depend upon your creativity of describing. आप कैसे describe करते हैं, आपकी creativity कैसी है. So naturally stories of all you will vary. सब अलग अलग लिखेंगे, पर एक टॉपिक जो काफी फेमस है, सबने एक ही बुक में से पढ़ा होगा तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, सभी एक जैसा लिखेंगे. Try to be fancy over here. Stick to the theme of the story. Keep it simple and give it a proper flow. Do not end it abruptly. एकदम से छोड़ मत दो, right? बिना समझाए. All the stories have a message. for us, and so conclude the story accordingly and give a moral message as well as suitable title to the story as well. Thank you here to Sanket Purohit to make such a wonderful slide. Explanation was mine and the slide was his. Thank you very much for hearing that. Study it in detail. Thank you very much for hearing me, right? And please subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sanjay Purohit. Thank you very much.